Let's look at a typical Monday morning queue. You have 3 users locked out of shared mailboxes, a project manager who can't book a conference room, and offboarding requests piling up. It is repetitive, high-volume work. As those tickets cascade into your inbox, the sheer velocity makes it easy to rush and make a wrong click. You need a workflow that cuts through the noise. We built an 8-task interactive web simulation. It strips away the clutter and lets you practice the exact permission management steps you will perform every week. You do not need an active Exchange server or administrative credentials to do this. Just open a web browser, click the link, and you are in. Practicing these high-stakes changes in a risk-free environment builds the muscle memory you need. When you do this in a live corporate directory, your execution will be fast and accurate. Step 1. Bulk assignment. We need to grant access to both the sales team and support desk mailboxes simultaneously. Select the checkboxes next to both user rows. This triggers the blue Bulk Actions bar at the bottom. Click Manage Permissions. This is a side-by-side breakdown of Exchange roles. On the left, Send As lets a user reply from an address without reading the inbox. On the right, Full Access unlocks the entire vault. Giving full access when someone only needs to reply is a major security vulnerability. In the modal, select John Smith. Check only the Send As box and hit Apply. Watch the Permissions column. Both rows immediately update from 0 to 1. By batching these assignments, you avoid repetitive clicking and eliminate the manual entry errors that usually plague large departments. Next, we configure a physical resource. Conference Room A needs to be available for a temporary contractor. Click the Manage button on the room, then switch over to the Delegation tab. Check the box for Calendar Delegation. Add Sarah Jenkins. Before you save, use the Date Picker to set an expiration date exactly 30 days from today. The interface immediately tags her name with a 30-day expiration badge. Her access will revoke itself automatically on day 31. You never have to track this in a spreadsheet or worry about orphaned access lingering in your system. Now let's build a resource from scratch. Click Create Mailbox. Type Legal Team for the name, Legal for the alias, and ensure the type is set to Shared Mailbox. Once the row appears, open it up. Add Michael Brown and check Full Access so he can manage the incoming files. Automated expiration handles the cleanup, and accurate provisioning gets users to work faster. This keeps your directory secure without creating friction between IT and the staff. Before you close out the ticket, you need to prove the permission actually works. Inside the Legal Team interface, click the Test Send As Diagnostic button next to Michael Brown's name. A test email sent toast notification pops up. You have verified his access proactively, preventing a help desk callback tomorrow morning. Now we pull back to look at total access. You need to know exactly what any given user can see across the entire directory. Click View User Permissions in the top header and select John Smith. This diagram shows how access maps out. John has a direct connection to the sales team mailbox. This is explicit one-to-one access. But he also accesses a second mailbox through a group membership. This inherited access is routed through the sales group node. To document this, click Generate Audit Report. A detailed table appears with grantors, timestamps, and expiry dates. Hit Export to CSV to save a copy for your logs. Testing your changes and exporting clear audit trails shifts your role from reactive troubleshooting to proactive security compliance. You have completed the workflow. Let's make sure the system registered every step. Click the Progress button at the bottom of your screen. 8 green check marks. You assigned bulk permissions, configured automated expirations, provisioned a mailbox, tested it proactively, and exported the audit log. Running these specific, optimized tasks until they are second nature builds the habits required for flawless daily IT operations. The link to this exact simulation is in the description. Try it yourself and subscribe for more step-by-step administrative tutorials.